everyone, Happy New Year! I'm Harshita and alongside me is my amazing husband Tanuj.
Hey everyone, wishing you all an amazing start to this brand new year.
We hope this year brings you all the joy, success, and happiness you deserve. It's a pleasure to kick off 2024 with you all by our side.
So, as you might have guessed from the title of this video, we have an exciting update to share with you all. We are officially kicking off our house hunting journey in the city of Calgary.
That's right. After living in Toronto for some time, we have decided to embark on this new adventure in Calgary. We shared a video last year on the Toronto real estate market where we looked at condos in and around the GTA area. If you have not watched that video yet, you can watch the video now.
Last year in August, we have got our PR, and soon after that, we started our research on buying our first home. Home prices were at the peak at that time, and the condos that we saw were getting sold at above listed price. Prices were going way above our budget, and we thought to put a hold on our purchase and wait either for the interest rate to go down or the real estate market to cool off so that we can actually find something that we like, which is better and affordable for us.
So last year, Alberta is calling initiative that the Alberta government started a few years back, aimed at attracting skilled workers to get affordable housing and employment. So we thought to explore this option as well. With remote work becoming the new norm, we realized that Calgary offers a great balance of affordability and an excellent lifestyle. So we have been exploring various listings around the city, and today we are thrilled to take you along with us.
We have seen some incredible places that we are very excited to share with you all. From cozy condos to spacious townhomes, Calgary has a lot to offer.
We will be showcasing a few of the properties we have visited, giving you a glimpse into the interiors, discussing the neighborhood vibes, and of course, the prices.
Plus, we will be trying to break down the pros and cons of each place that we visited, sharing our thoughts, and most importantly, hearing you all in the comment section below.
The very first property that we visited was a 2-bed, 2-bath condo in southeast Calgary. This place was a gem, close to the bird sanctuary, Bow River, East Village, and downtown. Plus, it's a fresh, out of the oven, brand new apartment, so it was very clean. There was enough closet and pantry space available in the apartment, including a parking spot. But here's the hitch. It's right by a railway line, so you'd be hearing those trains chugging by often. To ensure we cover more ground in our search, we have expedited the tour space, showcasing 3 listings without compromising details. Let's dive right into this first apartment.
Moving to our next stop in northeast Calgary was a cool 3-story townhome with 2 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. It was pretty roomy, spanning around 1119 square feet. It was built back in 2013 and had a classic vibe, and was currently being rented out when we checked it. Now here's the deal. If you are up for a bit of revamping after buying this place, it could be a real winner. But for us, trying to match our needs and styling made us a bit unsure about it. One more quirky thing about this townhome was that the entrance was from the backside, which felt us a little bit unconventional. Let's take a little closer peek and weigh the good and not so good things about this interesting townhome.
Our next spot in Northeast Calgary was a stunning 2-bed, 2.5 bath townhouse, spanning 992 square feet. It was a pretty nice place, not too old, built in 2021. The house had a basement that was not furnished, so you could make it your own space. But here's the thing, the parking was not covered, and we actually prefer a separate garage parking. Let's take a quick look inside this awesome townhouse and see what it's all about.
us on this incredible house hunting journey. We have explored some amazing properties together, each with its unique charm and consideration. Your support and engagement mean the world to us as we navigate this exciting journey.
Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you won't miss any updates as we continue to uncover our dream home in Calgary. Your insights and comments have been incredibly valuable to us throughout this process, and we can't wait to hear more from you.
Until next time, take care, stay awesome, and keep chasing those dreams. Goodbye for now.